How'd you get in here? Yep, it's time to do another video with these things right here. If you want to check it out, stick around. Here's the stuff I'm going to use. Here's some plastic anchors. I don't know if I'm going to actually use these. These you screw into the sheetrock. Drywall anchor. And look at that. These will hold 75 pounds. There's another one that's a little bit smaller than those. That will hold 35 pounds. And then I've got an assortment of little plastic anchors in there. Kind of like these here. In here. Okay. And I'm not sure if I'm going to need to use any plastic anchors or not. Here I've got my trusty Alex Plus caulking, and this is white. You always look up there and you'll see what color it is. You know, here's a tip for you. They have this in clear too, and if you're not paying attention, you might not get it. And clear comes in a tube that looks exactly like this one, you know. But this one I use for all kinds of stuff. Alex Plus, and what is it? 40 year. This is all-purpose acrylic latex caulk plus silicone. And I like to use that stuff. You can paint over that. Okay, if you get regular caulking that's 100% silicone, you cannot paint over that. And I saw Momi come down here earlier. She had her impact drill, and I'm like, what are you doing? What are you going to do? Because I always tell her whenever you need something done, it's as simple as saying,